Wow, if you're looking for a nice, original looking Chevrolet pickup, take a look at this one. 1964 Chevrolet C10. As you can see, regular cab, short box. Now, original looking and stock on the outside, but many upgrades to this, making it quite a bit nicer to drive than it would have been in 1964. This particular truck, first of all, color, Cascade Green, which would have been a 1957 Corvette color, along with white two-tone, beautiful bright work. Take a look at this chrome, the front grille, the condition of it. This is a nut and bolt frame-off restoration. Again, this truck is nicer than it would have came from Chevrolet back in '64. Take a look at that paint. There's a little over 1,100 miles is all on this restoration. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, I want you to be able to take a look at the underside, the engine bay, the interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this truck. It is amazing. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find the still pictures. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Underneath the hood, 350 good wrench engine. That is paired up with a 700 R4. So you have an automatic with overdrive transmission. You also have vintage air on this truck. And just take a look up and down the side of this, how straight it is. Look at that bright work. They say pictures, or in this case a video, is worth 1,000 words. I just let you look at this truck. This one will not disappoint. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We also welcome third-party inspectors. You wanted somebody else to come take a look at this truck for you, confirm it's everything I'm showing you in the picture, saying in the video, hey, feel free to. Let's come around to the rear. Take a look at the rear bumper as far as the chrome on this, and again the paint, that Cascade Green with the white. Just incredible combination in this truck. I'll show you some of the detail that went into this, just the little stuff that you notice. Back here, lots of times, you see them start to get scuffed up, nicked up, what have you. They have a 3M protective layer on top of this, plus the rubber strap. Just little stuff like that that's going to keep this truck nice down the road. Even the clear plastic here, so you can still see the chain link. It's not the typical black inner tube rubber hose that you see so many times. I mean, just attention to detail in this truck. Very, very nice. Riding on the thin white walls. Chevy wheel covers with the matching rims. Just beautiful. Again, still pictures. Check it out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at the underside of this truck. Wow. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Over $90,000 was invested building this truck. You could not build this truck for what you can buy it for now. Look at the stainless in the bed, the wood. Again, just all around attention to detail. Very, very nice condition. A little over 1,100 miles since the build. Dakota digital dash appears. We also have the vintage AC controls, retro sound stereo. That's what that looks like there. You can see how the vents were incorporated in for the AC. Everything painted to match the white on the interior, and then the gray vinyl seats and carpeting. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your actual miles since built, 1175. Radio does work. AC blows cold. Look at a polished shifter. There is this cord hanging down. That'd be for auxiliary on the stereo. There's nothing loose hanging underneath there. That'd be an auxiliary cord for the stereo. This thing's beautiful from top to bottom. flip around to the back. Good sounding truck too. Alright, let's flip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, show you the engine bay. You can about imagine what that's going to look like. Also in very nice condition. Let's pause this a second, let you take a look so you can see for yourself. One of the other things you notice on this truck is just how the hood latch works. The doors, how they open and close, shut tight, shut easily, no binding. Alright, aluminum radiator. There's your Goodwrench 350 V8 underneath there. Some nice chrome. Let you get a good listen to it, see how smooth that runs, some headers on it. Just a very, very nice, tidy engine bay to go along with the rest of this truck. Once again, check out the undersides. 1964 C10 frame-off restoration. Nice looking regular cab short box. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.